Travel cash flow. Strategies for earning money on your journey. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing against the shore or the vibrant hum of a bustling city, all while your bank account is steadily growing. For many, the idea of traveling and earning a living simultaneously seems like a distant dream, but it's more attainable than you might think. Today, I'm diving into some amazing, realistic ways to make money while you explore new cultures, taste delicious food, and experience the beauty of our planet, all without breaking the bank. So grab your passport and get ready to unlock the secrets to turning your travels into a source of income. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Practice a universal trade. Practicing a universal trade like teaching can be an effective way to make money while traveling. As a certified teacher, you can offer private lessons in subjects such as English, math, or music, catering to locals or fellow travelers. Online platforms like italki or VIPKid allow you to teach remotely, giving you flexibility with your schedule and location. You can also create workshops to share skills like cooking or photography, appealing to tourists looking for unique experiences. By leveraging your expertise and adapting to local interests, you can generate income while immersing yourself in diverse cultures, making your travel adventures both fulfilling and financially sustainable. Number 2. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is a fantastic way to make money while traveling, offering flexibility and creative freedom. Start by building a portfolio showcasing your writing skills, which can include blog posts, articles, or travel stories. Join platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr to find gigs that match your interests. Network with travel bloggers and pitch your services to them, offering to write guest posts or content for their websites. Additionally, consider creating your own travel blog to share your experiences and monetize it through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or ads. With dedication and the right strategies, you can sustain your travels while doing what you love. Number 3. Travel photography and videography. Travel photography and videography offer exciting opportunities to earn money while exploring the world. Start by honing your skills and building a strong portfolio showcasing stunning images and engaging videos from your travels. Use platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock to sell your photos to a wider audience. Additionally, consider offering photography services to fellow travelers, local businesses, or tourism boards. Create content for travel blogs and social media, partnering with brands for sponsored posts. You can also produce travel vlogs on YouTube, monetizing through ads and sponsorships. By combining your passion for photography with strategic marketing, you can generate income while capturing the beauty of your adventures. Number 4. Cultivate influence. Cultivating influence is a powerful way to make money while traveling. Start by building a strong social media presence on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, where you can share your travel experiences, tips, and insights. Engage with your audience through authentic storytelling, stunning visuals, and valuable content. As your following grows, brands may approach you for partnerships, offering sponsorship deals or product promotions in exchange for exposure. You can also collaborate with fellow influencers to expand your reach. Additionally, consider affiliate marketing by sharing links to products or services you love. By nurturing your influence, you can turn your passion for travel into a sustainable income stream. Number 5. Take your current job remote. Taking your current job remote is a practical way to make money while traveling. Start by discussing your desire for remote work with your employer, emphasizing the benefits of increased productivity and flexibility. Many companies are open to remote arrangements, especially post-pandemic. If your job allows, transition to a remote setup by ensuring you have reliable internet access and a designated workspace wherever you go. Utilize tools like Zoom, Slack, and project management software to stay connected with your team. By adapting your work environment, you can maintain your income while exploring new destinations, enjoying the best of both worlds. Number 6. Consider a working vacation. Consider a working vacation to make money while traveling. This approach allows you to blend work and leisure by taking on temporary jobs or projects in your destination. Look for opportunities in hospitality, tourism, or seasonal work, which often provide flexible hours. Websites like Workaway and HelpEx offer work exchange programs where you can earn accommodation and meals in exchange for your labor. You can also freelance during your downtime, using your skills in writing, graphic design, or photography. By balancing work with exploration, you can enjoy new experiences while ensuring your travels remain financially sustainable. Number 7. Become an au pair. Becoming an au pair is a practical way to make money while traveling and immerse yourself in a new culture. As an au pair, you'll live with a host family, providing childcare in exchange for room, board, and a stipend. This arrangement allows you to experience daily life in a foreign country while earning enough to cover personal expenses. Start by researching reputable au pair programs and prepare your application, highlighting your childcare experience and language skills. Platforms like Au Pair World and Great Au Pair can connect you with families seeking help. This opportunity offers both cultural enrichment and a sustainable income while you explore. Number 8. Work on a cruise ship or resort. Working on a cruise ship or at a resort is a fantastic way to earn money while traveling the world. These jobs often provide accommodation and meals, allowing you to save on living expenses. Positions range from hospitality roles, such as front desk staff or servers, to entertainment and activity coordinators. Check websites like cruise ship jobs and resort jobs to find openings that match your skills and interests. Working in these settings not only allows you to explore various destinations, but also offers unique networking opportunities and experiences. Embrace the adventure while earning a steady income in stunning locations. Number 9. Rent out your home. Renting out your home while traveling is a smart way to generate income. Platforms like Airbnb and VRBO allow you to list your property for short-term rentals, helping you cover expenses while you're away. To maximize earnings, ensure your home is clean, well-furnished, and appealing to guests. Take high-quality photos and write a compelling description to attract bookings. Set competitive rates based on local demand and seasonality. Additionally, consider hiring a property management service to handle bookings, cleaning, and guest communications if you're concerned about managing everything remotely. This approach lets you travel without the financial burden of unoccupied housing. Number 10. Pet sitting. Pet sitting is a fantastic way to make money while traveling, especially if you love animals. You can find pet sitting opportunities through platforms like Rover or Trusted House Sitters, which connect you with pet owners looking for reliable caretakers. This flexible work allows you to set your own schedule and choose locations that align with your travel plans. In addition to earning money, you'll get to enjoy the company of pets while exploring new areas. Ensure you communicate clearly with pet owners about their pets' needs and routines. This rewarding experience can help fund your adventures while allowing you to explore new environments. Thanks for joining me on this journey to discover how to make money while traveling. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel inspiration and money-making strategies. Drop your questions or share your own experiences in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Until next time, keep dreaming big and exploring the world. See you in the next video.